This will be a quick demo on your brother typewriter model GX-7500. It'll be a quick demo. You can see the condition here. It's a little dark on this side, but fairly clean. Plastic cover. I'll wipe that off a little bit. Okay, included, it's gonna be a script daisy wheel, which was part of this starter kit. These are new, the correction film ribbons, which came with the correction tape. Package is it is old, and this is the old one. We'll just finish using this, but that is the new daisy wheel script. And let's see here. There you go. As you can see here, the lift-off tape, maybe the original one isn't working as well, but you do have the new one here. All right, thanks for watching.